Manual handling in food manufacturing. In this video, we will discuss the safety risks involved in manual handling in a food manufacturing plant, and how to reduce the risk of injury while handling items that are awkward, uneven, hot, or contain fluids. As you know, manual handling involves lifting, carrying, pushing, or pulling objects, and it's an essential part of many jobs in a food manufacturing plant. However, there are several safety risks involved in manual handling that we need to be aware of. Contamination. Food contamination is a serious concern in the food manufacturing industry, and manual handling can introduce contaminants from employees' clothing, skin, or hair. To reduce this risk, we must wear appropriate protective clothing, including hairnets, gloves, and aprons, and avoid touching food items unnecessarily. Slips, trips, and falls. Handling food products can create wet and slippery floors, which increases the risk of slips, trips, and falls. To reduce this risk, we must keep the work area clean and dry, use non-slip mats, and wear slip-resistant footwear. Cuts and burns. Handling sharp or hot objects such as knives, blades, and hot pans can cause cuts and burns. To reduce this risk, we must wear appropriate protective gear, such as cut-resistant gloves, and use caution when handling hot items. Repetitive strain injury. Repeating the same manual handling tasks frequently can cause repetitive strain injuries, RSIs. To reduce this risk, we should take regular breaks, stretch our muscles, and use ergonomic equipment, such as adjustable workstations and lifting aids. Overexertion. Lifting or moving heavy objects, especially awkward or uneven ones, can cause overexertion, leading to sprains, strains, and other injuries. To reduce this risk, we should use appropriate lifting techniques, such as bending at the knees and using our leg muscles rather than our back muscles. In conclusion, manual handling is an essential part of many jobs in a food manufacturing plant, but it also poses several safety risks. By following the guidelines and tips we've covered in this video, we can reduce the risk of injury and create a safer working environment for everyone. Remember to wear appropriate protective gear, keep the work area clean and dry, use ergonomic equipment, take regular breaks, use appropriate lifting techniques, and if you're not sure, ask for help. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.